Just got a new one of these, so let's go ahead and open it up. And this, for the price, it shoots great video, and you get a 128 gig card with it. I mean, that's kind of worth. There you go. You got this, and it also has these accessories. You pop them out. There's a whole bunch of accessories in here. USB-C to A. This is a clip that you can clip it on your shirt, and then it has a carriage for it to ride in. This is a little medallion that goes around your neck, and it's magnetic, so you can wear it, or you can wear it underneath your shirt, and it will connect to this. Here is a little USB-A that you can use, and I think you can put the card in this side. Oh no, I only got a 64 gig card. I didn't get the 128, because this one was a little bit cheaper. Voila, the camera. There it is right there. And the port is on the side. So in there you put your card and you put your USB-C. Let me go ahead and get the memory card. All right, so we got the memory card. So you're gonna put it in with the back face of the card towards the back of the camera. And then when you push it in, it should just spring in like this. And then it sets. And that's it. Now to charge it, you can use your cord. I already have some cords here on a block. So I'm just going to push this in like that. And you should see that light up. Now when that turns like a purplish, oh look, it already did. Looks like it's fully charged. Let's set it down. Over here we've got all of our parts that go with it. Gives you a little thingamabob. But the most important thing is this right here. This is the underwater housing, so that you can use it on the pool or on the ocean. So if you look, there's a little card in here that explains everything. You don't need that. You got a screw that goes through. I'll show you on this. Let's say you want to ride on your bike, okay? This thing right here you can use for your bike. And it's got to have a little screw going through here. You got to find it in here. Here's one right here. Let's get it out. Now what I got to do is, well, I guess I could just show you on this. We'll just undo this. So now you've got this little nut. You don't want to lose it. And then this would slip in there like this. If we can get it in. There we go, like that. And then what you're going to do is you're going to take this and feed it through that hole. And you got to kind of play with it a little bit to get it there, and then tighten it down. And then this hooks, the same way to every other thing, just like that. So if this was going to go on here, you'd do it like that, and then you'd put your screw thing in there. And they only really give you one connector. Oh no, you got another connector. Let me show you this one. So let me unhook this. I'm gonna take this off. It takes forever. Got it. Pop that off. See? All right, now, here it is. This one here. Let me get it out of the package. This is what I use on my surfboard. If I can get it out. This is the hardest part, is getting it out of the frickin' packages. So here's this, right? So I just unscrew it like that. Pop that out. Then I take this and I smush it in there. Just like that, right? And then I gotta find that hole. And then I'll find it. I think I'll find it. Yeah, there we go. And then you gotta kind of screw this in. And we're almost there. Takes forever. And then you can tighten it, and then you can kind of move it. When you get it on the angle that you want, then you can really lock it down, and then it stays there. And so, to get your camera in, again, you got to pop this off of here. Let me get it on. Whoops, it didn't go on. So this is really tight. Ah, there we go. Now that thing is on there. So to get it off, I got to pull hard here. And it pops off. I'm not, I don't know how long this will last. Hopefully it'll last a long time. This comes off of here like that. Now you can put your camera in. Here it is. Take your camera, you slide it in there, like that. Then you close this back little door, lock that on there, and snap it. And now you got your camera in there. Take it out, you just do the opposite. And it's going to be sealed, so bam, got it out. That's basically how that works. Now I think that oh no, we're not charged. It's still charging. So we got to let it charge. Once we get it charged, the way you start it is you press here for 3 seconds and you're going to feel a buzz and a blue light. And then to do the video, you just press it once. Then to turn it off, you press it once. And then to stop the video. To stop the video, you press it once. And then to turn off the camera, you would press this and hold it for 3 seconds. And you'll feel a buzz and you'll see the light goes out. But that's basically how it works. So we just got to let it charge up and then we can take it out and use it on the beach. All right, so anyway, this is magnetized. You see that? So you could wear it like this. Or if I want, I could take this off of here, stick it down my shirt, and then, bam, check it out. So that's how it works. And then you can just walk around, and you could put it anywhere on your shirt. Let's say if you wanted to do it over here, you can put it over there. And yeah, you can see it stays on there pretty good because I'm whacking it. You know, if you hit it hard enough, it'll pop off. But bam, Bob's your uncle. There you go. You're videotaping. So if you're at one of those music festivals and you want to do some videotaping, it's a great way to do it. And let me pull that out. That's it right there. Just so you can see.